And hey guys, and welcome. Tonight we're over here at the ticketing center. So this is where you guys are going to need to be if you're going over to the Magic Kingdom. And as you can tell, we're on a tram ride. We've been getting a lot of requests for these trams again. We get them a few times a year. We don't get too crazy of them, but we do get a lot of people that want to see them at different times of the year. It's really weird, but we're out here filming one for you tonight. You've got the red tram up there, and each one of them have different colors. But right now it's me, Morgan, and Marley. Marley decided to join us tonight filming. Now these trams you guys are gonna need if you're heading out to your car and you're leaving the Magic Kingdom. You're either gonna take the ferry boat over or you're gonna take the monorail. You're gonna get off and you're gonna walk over to this tram right outside the exit, and it's gonna take you out to your car. Now as you guys are heading out here, on the left and on the right, you're gonna come up to some signs. As soon as we get up to one up here, I'll show you what they are. Now each one of these has a name. As you get out here further, on the right hand side you're going to see Hook. On the left hand side you're going to see Scar, or vice versa, but that's the way it is out here right now. And as you get out, that's going to identify the parking lot you're in. This is what the trams look like coming right at you. The driver is actually in the front. The guy commentating is all the way in the back, or should I say the lady in the back commentating. But as we're making our way around, you guys see up front there near the tram, there are the signs I'm talking about. As you get up to where you're getting off, they're going to have some kind of drawing on there and a name, and it's going to be Hook on the right, Scar on the left, and if that's the section you're in, and they change, there's different names, that's where your car is. So if you get out and you're parked like, say where this white car is right here, you're going to look down on the ground. Usually they have it in the ground, written on the in the asphalt there in the yellow paint, or they have it on these little signs that we just passed. Look at the sign, it'll tell you between like 10 rows, Scar number 35 to 45, that's where your car is. So now at nighttime, I like to take a picture of it, so when I come back at night, I don't lose my car. But you're going to jump on the tram, you're going to go into the ticketing center and then get out and either take the boat over or the ferry over, or you're going to take the monorail over. And then when you guys come back, the same thing. You're just going to jump on. They're not going to ask you where you're going. You're going to jump on this thing and you're going to take it pretty much on your own. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed lately, but the lines are starting to get bigger again. Maybe it's because Christmas is getting near. The holiday season of Halloween is almost gone. We're wrapping up all of our Halloween filming, so this stuff's almost over for us. We're getting ready to start the Christmas holiday, and you can see the cars out here. I remember filming just a few months ago and there were nobody out here. It's crazy. You're getting at the Magic Kingdom and you're like the only one in line. It's like, what's that all about? Now the lines are starting to show up again. Once again, I wish they'd start dropping down that pricing. They're way off the rocker with the pricing. That's over the years since I moved away and moved back, it's doubled. You know, a family of four to get decent tickets, you're talking almost $4,000, you know, and it cut the amount of people buying them down. So they're still making the same money with half the people. So hopefully they get smart, drop that down, dump some of the pricing down. You don't really need to have it that high, because when I leave a park at nighttime, I see people leaving. And just right now, you see people going in, their hands are empty. Most of the time when the people are coming out, their hands are empty. You'll see one or two bags here or there. That tells me, as somebody that's been in the retail world for a long time in the past, that they're not buying. So that needs to be fixed. I'd rather have people buying. Drop stuff down a little bit. It's way out of control. Get the people in the parks. If you're in the parks, your chances of buying something are really good. The key is get the pricing where it should be, not off the rocker. It's just crazy. Hopefully that goes down. I'd like to see it. It helps people out. And yeah, you're going to have a lot of people in the parking lots. That's just how it is. But eventually people right now with these prices are going to decide we're not going anymore. It's just how it is. It's just, when it gets out of control, people can't be buying the tickets at that kind of money every year. They're going to do it once, maybe twice, and then they're done with it. So hopefully they fix that before it gets, leaves a bad taste in people's mouth. I'd like to see Disney be the heroes right now and to get this all worked out and get it all good. I'd like to be a little bit more comfortable coming in and out myself. But there's a look at the tram as it's going around, guys. And these are really fun rides. If you guys get a chance to ride one, I recommend getting on. That's what it looks like behind you. Hey, look at all the people back there. And there's the guy that's doing the commentating. So we're coming around. We're almost done. And we're going to see you guys in the next one. We're going to do a tram out, tram in, and we're going to do some more filming tonight, so we'll let you guys go. Keep your eyes posted. Visit thecountrybeartours.com, guys. Like, subscribe. Let's get this video out there. See you on the next one.